Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone SE 2022 for Cricket Wireless. So the iPhone SE is not hard at Cricket Wireless. So this is the new iPhone SE here. It's available now as of March 18th. It's available in three colors: Midnight, Starlight, and Product Red. So you guys will have three storage options to choose from: 64 gigs, which is $379, 128 gig, which is the 128 gigabyte version is $499, and then the 256 gigabyte version is, I think, $599. I'll confirm that here in just a second. So yeah, it's $379, $479, and $579 respectively at Cricket. The 256 gigabyte version is currently sold out. Y'all guys can see right there, it's currently sold out. That's kind of interesting. The 64 gigabyte version is $50 cheaper at Straight Talking Cricket. That's the only places I've seen it at $379 was at Cricket and Straight Talk so far. So pretty interesting there. Let's see if the 128 gigabyte version is in stock or not. Let's see real quick. Yeah, the 128 gig is in stock, and so is the 64 gigabyte version. The only one that's not in stock right now is the 256 gigabyte version. Alright, so yeah. So there's the iPhone right there. Y'all guys know what the iPhone SE looks like. It looks like an iPhone 8, but it has the hardware of iPhone 13 inside of it. And yeah, I mean, the only thing I don't like about the phone is the design. It's outdated like a motherfucker. It looks like the iPhone SE from 2 years ago. So I don't know why Apple kept the same design. It's basically an outdated design. So if you guys are familiar with the iPhone 8 and stuff like that, you'll be right at home with this device here. This new iPhone SE, of course, it has 5G on it, of course. So this is the first for the iPhone SE line. So if you guys want a cheap iPhone with 5G, the iPhone SE is the phone for you. So on the front of the phone, you guys have your Touch ID there, power button right there on the right side, earpiece and front facing camera on the front as well, volume keys on the left side along with your alert switch. Your SIM card is on the right side of the phone as well. On the back of the iPhone SE is your single rear camera along with your camera flash, Apple logo and whatnot. And what comes in the box is your iPhone SE and your charging cable and your documentation. That's pretty much it. There is no charging brick in the box. So if you guys have an existing charging brick, use that for your iPhone SE. Alright, guys. So yeah, the only thing I don't like about the phone, that it is outdated like a motherfucker in terms of design. I don't know why Apple did that. But you guys can also do it monthly as well with the phone. So check it out if you guys want to do it monthly. But if you guys want to do it for retail, it's $379, $479, or $579 respectively. So quick specs on the phone: 4.7 inch display, 12 megapixel rear facing camera, 64 gigabytes of storage, 128 gigs, or 256 gigabytes of storage. iPhone SE 2022. Lightning fast A15 Bionic chip and fast 5G, big time battery life, and a superstar camera, plus the toughest class any smartphone and a home button with secure Touch ID. See features. Alright. Lots to love, less to spend. iPhone SE packs the most powerful chip into the most popular size iPhone at the most affordable price. Is this what you've been waiting for? No. Not really, no. It's outdated design. That's the only thing I don't like about the phone. It's outdated design. That's the only thing I don't like about the phone. But other than that, I mean, it's a pretty good spec iPhone for what it is. And it has 5G on it, so that's a plus as well. Altogether beautiful. Okay, if you want to say that an iPhone design from 6 years ago is beautiful, why not, right? Fuck it. I said a brilliant 4.7-inch Retina HD display, speed and security of Touch ID, water resistance up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, which is IP67 rated for dust and water, all in a slim, lighter design and outdated design. It says iPhone 11 Pro called it wants its chip back. Okay, what the hell? It says it's A15 Bionic chip up here. Then you scroll down here, and it'll say A13 Bionic chip. That was an iPhone 11 line. It actually says the A15 Bionic chip, not the A13. So they need to go fix that. But I'm gonna say it has the A15 anyway. It says A15 Bionic is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Period. Launch apps, play games, and more, all with blazing speed. Smile, you're in portrait mode. The advanced camera system with the why does it keep saying A13 Bionic chip? Why does the fuck it keep saying that? Like, I don't fucking get that. I don't know whoever did this for Crooked. They need to like proofread their shit before they actually submit it finalized. So yeah, it has an A15 Bionic chip, not A13. Nope. It has portrait mode, artificially placing the focus on the subject, even for selfies. So portrait mode is on this phone as well, so that's pretty cool. High. Ugh. God damn it, man. High definition. 4K video means 4 times the default. 4K video means the 4 times. Ugh. Can't talk in this video, you know what I'm saying? So it says here 4K video means 4 times the detail of Full HD, and Quick Take allows you to start recording video in photo mode by just holding the shutter. Binge-worthy battery life. The show must go on. So iPhone SE lets you watch up to 13 hours of video on a single charge. Privacy is built in. Apple products are designed to protect your privacy and give you control over your information. It's not always easy, but that's the kind of innovation Apple believes in. And you guys, there's more stuff here. You guys have True Tone, dynamically adjust white balance on the display so images look natural and are easier on your eyes. It also has Haptic Touch. Press and hold on an icon for shortcuts, and it's like a slight vibration makes it feel like you are pressing a real physical button. So it has like the 3D touch thing, or whatever, kind of has that. I don't even know if that's still a thing. I think it is still a thing today on the iPhone. On the iOS side, I think the 3D touch is still a thing. You have augmented reality. Run the latest AR apps that lets you measure real-world objects, map constellations over the stars, and more. Stereo audio recording. iPhone SE records videos in stereo, and it says iPhone SE records its videos in stereo to make the sound as engaging as the picture. Faster Wi-Fi and cellular data. Wi-Fi 6 and gigabit class LTE can deliver much faster download speeds whether you're on Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Audio sharing. You and a friend can both rock out to the same playlist by pairing 2 sets of AirPods or Beats headphones to one iPhone. That's pretty cool. Dual SIM, dual numbers. Dual SIM with eSIM lets you have it. Dual SIM with eSIM lets you have both a business and a personal number on the same iPhone. Fast charge capable. Connect to a fast charge adapter to get from 0 to up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Y'all guys have accessories here, so y'all guys got like different accessories like cases and stuff like that. They have Apple Care Plus on here, one-stop support from Apple experts. Apple Care Plus provides extended repair coverage and 24/7 priority support from the people who know iPhone best. You have Apple Music, of course. Stream 60 million songs ad-free. Download your favorite tracks, play them offline. You also have Apple TV Plus, of course. Watch original stories from the most creative minds in TV and film, included for 1 year when you buy an iPhone. That's pretty cool. We got more stuff down here. iPhone SE 2022 Retina HD display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design, and those corners are within a standard rectangle. When measured as a standard rectangle shape, the screen is 4.7 inches diagonally. Actual viewable area is less. Right. Go ahead, keep the camera rolling. The enhanced video on the iPhone SE picks up incredible amount of detail, including contours, shadows, and highlights, even when the sun goes down. 12 megapixel wide camera, portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control, portrait lighting with 6 effects, smart HDR4 for photos, for photographic styles, 4K video recording, LED true tone flash, quick take video, take 8 megapixel still photos while recording 4K video. Now the specs on this iPhone, alright, hold up. There we are. So the specs on this iPhone SE, of course, it's basically an iPhone 13 specs packed into a smaller package, obviously. So if you guys want a compact iPhone, the iPhone SE is the phone for you. So it has iOS 15, of course, so that's the latest and greatest iOS version as of right now. It will get updates for several years to come. That's a great thing about iOS. Dimensions are 5.45 inches height, 2.65 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. Screen size 4.7 inches. LCD multi-touch display with the IPS technology. Storage options is 64 gigs, 128 gigs, or 256 gigabytes of storage. Your connectivity options, of course, it includes 5G, which is the main selling point of this new iPhone SE here. This is the first iPhone SE to include 5G. You have Wi-Fi 8, you have Wi-Fi 6, 802.11, AX30, Bluetooth 5.0, 12 megapixel wide camera, and 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera. Processor, like I said, A15 Bionic chip with neutral engine. It says A13, so replaces on the spec sheet, but it's not. It's A15, like it is on the iPhone 13 line. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion polymer battery. Here and there compatibility is there. Accessories. I mean, there you go. They got some cases here, but you can go to Amazon or you can shop at the Apple website to get your accessories for the iPhone SE here. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone SE 2022 version is now here at Quicker Wireless. It's available now for $379, $479, or $579 respectively. The 256 gigabyte version is currently not in stock right now, so do keep that in mind. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.